How to send WhatsApp notification for your WooCommerce orders. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp notifications for your WooCommerce orders. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin panel. On the left side of the screen, click on Plugins. In the search bar, type in WC Messaging. Then click Enter. Click the WC Messaging. This plugin uses the WhatsApp API to send notifications. For you to be able to activate it, you need to upgrade your plan. Click Install, then activate the plugin. After activation, go to the Install Plugin section. Find your WhatsApp plugin and click on Settings. Now, you will need to enter your WhatsApp business details like phone number, business account ID, WhatsApp API key. Once done, don't forget to save changes. Now, go to your WooCommerce orders, and you will notice a new options to send WhatsApp notifications for each order. Just click it, and the notifications will be sent to the customer via WhatsApp. And that's it. You have successfully integrated WhatsApp notifications into your WooCommerce store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.